Much had been taken away from me already that the only thing I had was my identity.
A flaw in the foster care system exposed. It leaves vulnerable youth at risk.
Tonight, only on News 5, what the Division of Children and Family Services is doing right now to make sure every child in need of a loving, supportive home finds one, regardless of who they are.
News 5's Mike Brookbank in Cleveland with more on the push to create a new caregiver network right here in Cleveland.
Substance abuse, suicide, mental health issues, homelessness. They're all dangers children in the foster care system face. And for those who identify as LGBTQ, their risk is even greater.
I emancipated from care when I was 18 after being in nearly 20 foster homes.
Growing up, Sonia Emerson lacked stability.
It was very uncomfortable for a lot of people.
She says because of who she is.
There was general fears from foster parents, how will my family receive this?
Rejection after rejection left Sonia questioning whether she should continue being open about her homosexuality.
At those moments, that would lead to me feeling very suicidal and like I just didn't even want to be here in general if I couldn't live in my truth.
Statistics show there are hundreds of Sonias navigating the system in Cuyahoga County.
I think educating ourselves is our best defense against ignorance.
That's exactly what the Division of Children and Family Services is doing.
We're really on the cutting edge of this, and we're very excited to be there.
DCFS now creating a Pride Caregiver Network that will help mitigate the risk facing LGBTQ youth.
To match them up with a foster home that is going to be supportive and affirming.
Cuyahoga County, one of just 4 locations in the country, now training current and future foster parents.
It's really important, like we said, to try and support your child even when you're feeling uncomfortable.
On what they need to do to help these children thrive.
It's not, I'm okay with you even though. It's, I'm okay with you and I celebrate you because of who you are. And that's where we're trying to head with this training.
There's hope on the other side.
Now 25, Sonia shares her story of struggles to not only help change the foster care environment.
I affirm who you are and you're welcomed here.
But to give that hope to those coming up through the system.
To really just come out and embrace who they are, that the family that they have right now that are not accepting, that there's work to be done, but there are other people that will embrace them.
Reporting in Cleveland tonight, Mike Brookbank, News 5.